Okay, so first of all, what is a venture capitalist? Because we should get on the same page about what we mean by that. Because, some people look at like the sharks on Shark Tank and think that's a venture capitalist. Not really a venture capitalist. Some people think it's like, their rich neighbor up the road that like, has thrown some money into some stuff here and there. Not really a venture capitalist. Some people, they think it's, I've seen people refer to themselves as venture capitalists when they're investing in real estate, when they're investing in, public stocks. I've seen people think that they're investors in venture capital when they invest in like a few random side hustles or side businesses. None of that is venture capital, at least the way it's generally understood in the industry. Venture capital is, from an investment perspective, making investments using other people's money into early stage companies, startups, that have the potential to become huge businesses someday. Now, what that means is that these startups usually are going to fail, or they're not, they're never going to achieve that huge, massive outcome. But when they do, it can be absolutely like mind-bending, the types of returns. I mean, you look at funds like Haystack Ventures, that was an early investor in companies like Instacart and have returned 30, 40 times their entire fund back to investors, which means if you put $1 into their fund, you're going to get like 20 to 40 of those dollars back, despite the fact that very few of the investments that they actually made in that fund are generating the return. But those are generating such a huge return, like Instacart, that you as an investor in the fund generate a huge return. That's what venture capital is all about.